I have some big Ethereum 2.0 news which could bring about an end to Ethereum as you know it. The end of proof of work mining for the Ethereum network could be happening in 2021. There is a major update to the network being discussed by developers right now, which could change everything for ETH. Make sure you watch this video until the end to get all the details about this critical upgrade. Also, in today's video, I will tell you about the Ethereum supply crisis on exchanges, which just keeps intensifying with balances on exchanges continuing to plummet as Ethereum is gobbled up by investors. And I have a major DeFi milestone to share with you, which has just been passed. Big stuff happening in crypto, as always. My name is Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you would like to do, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to know when I put out a new video. By the way, if you want a safe and easy way to earn a passive income on your Ethereum, then you need to get yourself a BlockFi interest account. All you need to do is to deposit your Ethereum and then sit back and wait for the passive income to start coming in. You will earn 5.25% on your Ethereum. They also offer great rates on other coins, 6% on up to your first Bitcoin, 8.6% on USDC, 9.3% on USDT, and lots of other stuff too. Use the link down in the description to start your account, and you can get up to $250 in free Bitcoin. So do check that out if you want to start earning a passive income. Now let's get into this topic. The Ethereum supply crisis is continuing to intensify. Exchange balances for Ethereum continuing to decline at a rapid rate. You can see on this chart here that the general trend has been for the supply of Ethereum on exchanges for the market in the last year just to be going down and down and down. To be fair, there is a lot of Ethereum still sitting on exchanges with a little less than 20 million Ethereum on exchanges at the time of recording this video, but the trend has been a very steady one. People are gobbling up Ethereum. In fact, this trend of Ethereum exiting exchanges, going to cold wallets and DeFi and all this stuff has actually gained momentum ever since Ethereum crossed over the $1,000 price level. A huge amount of buyers came in and have been buying more than 3 million Ethereum since the start of the year. That's incredible. This chart in particular I find interesting as it shows the correlation between a supply squeeze on exchanges and previous all-time highs for Ethereum. This really, I guess, should be unsurprising since, of course, the less available supply that there is on exchanges, the higher the price is likely to go, assuming, of course, that demand continues to stay relatively steady or to rise, and, of course, demand is rising. So the more Ethereum we see getting taken off of exchanges and then locked into decentralized finance protocols, locked into the Eth 2.0 staking contract, or just dumped into cold wallets, the more likely it is that the price will continue to move higher over the coming year. We have also just hit a massive milestone for decentralized finance, with DeFi for the first time topping over $100 billion in total value locked. Now, these statistics come from DeFi Llama, a site which actually tracks all DeFi protocols on all chains. Currently, Ethereum accounts for around 80% of all the value across all the chains locked in decentralized finance. Although Binance Smart Chain has actually managed to attract around 15% of the total value locked, which is incredible. That happened really fast. All the other chains combined account for just 5%, showing that the likes of, for example, Terra Luna and their very cool and profitable Mirror Protocol and Anchor Protocol, the wider market hasn't really woken up yet to these cool products, and the money hasn't flown there, and the significant values we've seen it flowing to Binance Smart Chain, and of course that Ethereum already has. That $100 billion mark though, that's massive. And yet I feel like it's also so small considering the potential of what DeFi actually has to offer. Perhaps the learning curves, the risks associated with DeFi and smart contracts and all that jazz, it's keeping a lot of users out right now. But I think that the company that can make DeFi so easy that your grandma can use it, oh, they're gonna make a killing. They're gonna make a killing. But if you're here now and you understand how to use DeFi, you have a significant advantage on the market. I also find it very interesting how quickly Binance Smart Chain was able to capture 15% market share. That's incredible. It shows that users are not wedded to Ethereum. They're actively exploring their options, and of course, Binance Smart Chain right now is offering some of the best options for users. And finally, for today, big Ethereum 2.0/1.0 news for you. The news is that proof of stake may be shipping out for Ethereum sooner than expected, with proof of work mining potentially ending this year. That's big. That's really big. Developers have recently signaled their intentions to fast track the merger of Ethereum 2.0 and Ethereum 1.0, meaning that we could see Ethereum become a complete proof of stake blockchain by the end of this year. That's very exciting. Essentially meaning that mining could end, no more proof of work for Ethereum in 2021. That would be a dramatic shift for Ethereum, basically meaning the end of Ethereum as we know it, as we have known it. Our proof of work Ethereum will be no more. The start of a new era, a better era for Ethereum is coming. This would move up phase 1.5 of Ethereum 2.0, which was originally scheduled for 2022 by about a year. So that's pretty cool. It would also mean that the transitioning Ethereum 1.0 to proof of stake would happen before we get network sharding. Also to note is that this will not be a full merger or transition to Ethereum 2.0. It will be basically just Ethereum 1.0, but running on proof of stake. There's still a lot of work to be done on Ethereum 2.0. This will just be a merger of the chains. Stakers in Ethereum 2.0 will continue to reap rewards for securing the network, but they will still be unable to transfer or redeem rewards until the entire Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is complete, or at least that's what developers are saying right now. So it's definitely big news, definitely something to get excited about, but you have to understand too, it's just another step on the road to Ethereum 2.0. This is Ethereum 1.0 on proof of stake, which will be awesome, but we're not looking at network sharding yet. That's a massive improvement that we need to see. This is a major scaling solution that Ethereum must have moving forward. Nor are we going to see WebAssembly integrated. That's really important as well for applications. But it will be big for the network to transition to proof of stake from proof of work, since of course proof of work is a bad solution for smart contract platforms. Developers have said that a minimum viable product will be ready by the end of the year for this transition, so that'll be interesting to see. But they said also that it's not going to come until after the London hard fork in July, which will bring in EIP 1559 and fee burning to Ethereum. If Ethereum developers manage to pull off a full transition to proof of stake in 2021, then it would be a major development victory for Ethereum. But as with all things Ethereum, be ready for delays. They happen frequently in the Ethereum development ecosystem. Anyway, your question for today: do you think that developers will actually manage to push out these updates in 2021, or do you expect that it will be delayed like so many things in Ethereum? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.